So, hi dear Virgo, very good evening to you guys. This is 7 days, 7 Oshos and Tarot messages for all the Virgo, Sun, Moon, Venus rising from today till the 25th of May. And want to be a reader like me or want to have personal reading or healing sessions? Check out the description box, you'll find the links below. And for Ho'oponopono Masterclass and Self Love Course too, links are given below in the description box. So, let's start. 19th, we have the intensity. You are going to feel something with a lot of intensity, with a lot of emotions. You are going to feel like, okay, I should go in a particular direction and do something about it. That much intensity you are going to feel towards a particular situation. So, okay, definitely you should act upon this intensity if you feel like, but at the same time, like weigh down all your pros and cons and everything before you're going to go in a particular direction with this much intensity. 20th, we have the past lives, past life. Okay, something from your past is going to show up in your energies that's going to bother you a little bit. For some of you are going to like be aware of some kind of pattern. Again and again you are repeating some kind of pattern and repetitive cycle, and you're going to understand that might be this is a past life karma, or this is a past life thing that you keep on repeating, and you're going to be aware of this thing to heal it and let it go properly and resolve this matter. 21st, we have the ripeness. Something is about to come to fruition. Your hard work is going to show you results very soon. So do not give up. You are about to achieve the kind of happiness, the kind of success that you're looking forward to have in a particular direction. Do not give up. Keep going. Something is about to come to fruition very soon. 22nd, we have the creator. If you're planning to start something, a new job, a new career opportunity, a new work, or whatever it is, the universe kind of is giving you like the green signal to go ahead and start that. Have the courage, have the strength to go in a particular direction and start doing that particular thing, especially if it is related to spirituality or spiritual growth. You are definitely going to achieve success in the coming future. Work on your solar plexus chakra too, because solar plexus chakra is directly related to the strength and the courage that we need in order to achieve something in our life. 23rd, we have the participation. So if you're working on a teamwork, on a team project, or where other people are also involved, give your full participation, give your 100% from your side, even if nobody is watching. What it will do is it will give you good results in the coming future. Even if you're not going to get the results immediately, you are definitely going to get results in the coming future in a very positive way. So even if nobody is watching, give your 100% from your side in a particular situation that requires your full participation. Good. 24th, we have the courage. See, in order to achieve something impossible, maybe, or something that's kind of not easy to achieve, you have to have the strength and the courage to go in that direction and stand alone, and stand for yourself, work for yourself. Even if nobody is able to understand what you are up to and what you are doing and what you are trying to achieve, stay focused on your goal, stay focused on your dream, and keep going. Have the courage and the strength to stay different, to be different. Okay, and stay in your own power, because you can achieve it even if others are saying you cannot. 25th, we have the aloneness. You are going to choose to either stay alone or detach yourself from everything and everyone, because you are going to feel and realize that the path you are walking on, or the goal that you have in your life, nobody can understand that. So you have to walk on this path alone, and this aloneness is not coming out of desperation or frustration or anger or something like that. This is coming out of understanding that you cannot be with everybody every fucking time. You have to have this energy of walking alone on your path someday, and you are going to understand this, and you are going to start walking on that path. So thank you so much for tuning in, Virgo. We'll see you soon in the next video. Bye bye, take care, God bless you, namaste.